Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 2011 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift up or remove your bed. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt holding the spare tire hoist in place. Remove the spare tire hoist. Step 3. Cut out the factory spare tire plate. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Hold the spare tire plate up to your crossmember. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part into place before welding it on fully. Then, using a 15mm socket, reinstall the spare tire hoist. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then, you're done.